morning vlog. Oh, we got a pivot in the back. Hello, good morning. Anyways, good morning vlog. Hey, good morning to the vlog. To the vlog. Are you ready to do some errands today? Were you sleeping good? You got your ears all up. Were you sleeping so good? I think so. You look so beautiful in the morning light. Wow, you look gorgeous. Anyways, today we are doing some errands. Oh gosh, what's happening to my hair? Hold on. Like I fixed it. Anyways, we're doing some errands today because tomorrow we are leaving this campsite. I don't even think I said where this is. I'm in California, if you guys haven't gathered that. Or figure that out or whatever. I've made it from North Dakota to California, and now we're going out to the coast because I need to go to San Diego. So I'm going to San Diego to look at cars. I know that's somehow, I'm guessing, going to be controversial because getting the Honda Pilot was such a big deal, but if you guys don't remember, that car already had over 200,000 miles on it, and now it has even more. So I am going out to San Diego to look at SUVs. I'm not getting a truck. I'm getting another SUV. I just want one with a V8 engine because my Pilot has a V6, and Honda doesn't make any more powerful SUVs or trucks even. The Ridgeline, I think, has almost the exact same engine as the Pilot, so I have to move on to a different car before I start having more issues towing with mine. So I have two cars that I'm looking at out there, and I've made appointments. So Pip and I are going to San Diego, which means we're leaving this spot, which means we have to do all of the errands and stuff that come with leaving. Luckily though, because I have a really good feeling that I'm obviously going to leave with a new car, I have booked a campsite so I can do like the transition, because it'll just be easier to be able to plug the camper in, to have air conditioning and stuff, to leave Pip at the camper while I go look at cars and have to do the exchange. So I'm not having to do like a ton of stuff because I'm not boondocking then when I go there, but it's going to be a lot of moving parts because I'm looking at two different cars in two different locations. And then if I decide on a car, I'm not selling my Pilot, like I'm not trading it in. So then I have to do the like hop, skip, and jump to put the Pilot into storage, but then go pick up the new car, you know, like, and do the whole thing by myself. So I have to get like an Uber to go back and forth. It's like a whole thing. That's why Pippa just needs to stay at a campground and be chill on her own, because my boyfriend's sister is going to buy my car off of me, but we're in California and they're in a different state that is nowhere close to this, so they have to fly in to come get it. So I'm gonna put it into storage because obviously I'm not gonna stay in San Diego until they come get the car. So don't worry guys, the Pilot is staying in the family. Like, it's going to someone who needs it. So that makes me feel so much better about it because I'm like emotionally attached to the Pilot, and I think my boyfriend knew that, and so he was like, well, I know somebody that would use it, and I'm like, perfect, sounds good. I don't want like it going to some cold car dealer that like won't love it the way that I did. So I'm glad she's gonna have it. So anyways, today I have to pick up my mail and get dog food and prep the trailer pretty much. So that's what we're doing today, but the unfortunate part is I overnighted my mail, but it was on a weekend, so like today is a Monday, and so I'm just basically waiting for it to get delivered until I drive all the way into town to go get it, because I'm not gonna wait around in town when I could be doing stuff here. So like everything is pretty much cleaned up. Like I don't really have any dishes in this thing other than like breakfast and like a little bit of dinner last night. Oh my god. Whew. And then my bed and laundry are all done from a couple days ago that you saw that vlog. Is that your tummy? That was a weird sound. Anyways, and I have groceries and all that stuff. It's just like generally putting things away. And then obviously I need to go through my car, and it doesn't need to be like fully cleaned out because it's not that dirty, but I need to organize the stuff I have in it. So then when I do the transition, it's not taking me like hours and hours of time to like go through everything. Like I need to get all the little stuff and just put it into bags basically, so then I can just pop it into the new car and go through like all the documents and stuff I have in the glove box to decide what stays with them and then what I'm going to take with me. So then I can just mail them my keys and the title and the bill of sale and be done with it. So, yeah, that's what I've got going on. Exciting stuff, but life transitions are always kind of stressful, and I'm really excited about the new car, but I'm so attached to like what I have. Oh, and I'm gonna make the disclaimer in this video, but I'm gonna make it in the like goodbye Honda video too. I'm not gonna show you guys the new car because of how public my last couple rigs have been. Like showing you guys like every detail of what I drive and stuff. You guys have already seen the camper. You have enough information. I don't want to be so easily spottable out on the road anymore. Not that 90% of the time the interactions I have with people aren't good, but the few that it hasn't gone well because they've been able to know that it's me and Pippa because of the combination of the Pilot and the trailer I have is unique, is starting to get a little concerning and not really what I want to do. So I'll probably show you guys the inside of the car, like if I film like from the dash, but you guys won't see the outside anymore. And that's just how things are trending. So I'm giving the warning in this video, so when you don't see it in that one, don't be surprised. Anyways, let's get things together-ish for my last day at this campsite.
What's this connection to the victims?
2 years ago, I got a steady job installing TVs. Have any of the families purchased a new TV?
Change of plans. So I was just like picking up, all my stuff's picked up. I was filming, I was editing, and I literally just got a text that my prescription is able to be picked up, but it's back in Parker, Arizona. And so it's a 2-hour drive. And I'm supposed to be leaving here tomorrow morning. But I also have to go pick up my mail down in Palm Springs. So, and I don't want to drag my trailer to where the FedEx is that I have to pick up my mail. And it is 1:45 right now. So if I leave literally right this second, like after I shut this off and get in the car, I can possibly make it to Parker and pick up my prescriptions before CVS closes, or like the pharmacy closes, and then make it the 2 hours back here, and then the extra half hour into like Indio or Palm Springs, and then pick up my mail before FedEx closes tonight and then still be set and ready to go and get on the road. So I think I'm gonna try. Wish me luck. I need it, and I'm getting in the car right now. Look at the girl. You have a good nap while we were driving? Yeah? Well, we made it. Now we gotta drive 2.5 hours to FedEx. Let's really round out our driving for the day. I need to get a snack while I'm here. It is dark and it is 6:45, but I made it.